Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup photos to Google Photos with Backup and Sync. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Photos website. Sign in to your Google account if you are not already logged in. Next, download the Backup and Sync application from the Google Drive website. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, launch the Backup and Sync application. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account again. After signing in, you will see options for choosing folders to backup. Select the folders on your computer that contain the photos you want to backup. You can choose to backup photos from your desktop, documents, or any other folder. Next, select the upload size for your photos. You can choose between high quality and original quality. High quality offers free unlimited storage, while original quality counts against your Google account storage limit. Once you have made your selection, click on the Next button. You will then see options for backing up videos as well. Check the box if you want videos to be included in the backup. Now, click the Start button to begin the backup process. The application will now start uploading your selected files to Google Photos. You can check the progress on the Backup and Sync interface. Once the upload is complete, your photos will be safely stored in Google Photos. To access your backed up photos, go back to the Google Photos website or app. There, you will find all your uploaded photos organized and ready for viewing. Congratulations, you have successfully backed up your photos to Google Photos using Backup and Sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.